Some people think that it requires brains to learn how to study the Bible, but it doesn't. It requires patience. As you look at these 4 steps for how to study the Bible, don't require yourself to have to understand them right now. Just read them. Let them begin to seep in. Then as you look at the examples, your goal isn't to race to the end of the example. Your goal is to just pick out a section of the example and see if it makes sense. Then pick out another section of the example. See if that makes sense. Your learning will go much more effectively if you spend some concentrated time focusing on this material and then leave it. Let the material digest in your system. Then come back and look at it again. Repeat that. It might surprise you, but most of your learning happens when you're not focused directly on it. All it really takes to learn how to study the Bible is the patience to not have to understand it all right now, and the curiosity to keep coming back until enough things make sense where you'd like to give it a try yourself. As you study your own passages using these 4 steps, more questions will arise. But just look at more examples, patiently, letting the understanding come. And as it does, most of your questions will get answered. But if you get stuck, write us. Denise or I will help you get unstuck. But don't let anyone tell you that it requires brains to learn how to study the Bible. All it takes is patience.